everyone. It has been a while since I've done a historical details, and with my latest novella, Commander of His Heart, coming out, I thought that I would pop in to do a quick little video. Hopefully I will be getting back to doing more regular videos soon. But for right now, I wanted to introduce you to something that actually features in all of the Promise of Forever After books. The Promise of Forever After series is about 5 friends who meet at school. And for those of you who have read the series, you remember that all 5 of the girls get together at the very beginning because Mara, who is my character, her father has just passed away, and so she has to leave school. And this will kind of be the last time that all of the friends get to see each other for a long time. And at their little gathering in their gazebo, they bring a book to read, and Phoebe and Daphne bring Chelsea buns. Chelsea buns were something that I discovered actually while I was writing All You Wish, my second novella. And these are in All You Wish during the ball scene. And I kind of fell in love with them. They looked really good. So when the Love Letter Press authors were looking for a treat for the girls to bring to their little gazebo meeting, I thought that this would be a fun one. Now, Phoebe would have had a little bit of trouble bringing them in that it would have been a mess. But I think the mess well worth it. You can see they're super sticky, and they're studded with these gorgeous currants, and they've got cinnamon in them and lemon. These are a light and airy kind of bun. So they are supposed to be square. Mine are a little bit more on the round side because I didn't pack them in tight enough. Chelsea buns came to be in the 18th century, or around the 18th century. We at least know that they were around during the 18th century because the Hanoverian royalty, the British monarchs who came over from Germany, loved these. They were made in Chelsea, which is part of London, and everybody in London just loved them. As I was reading through some of the accounts from the 18th century and Regency era, it talked about people just crowding in to get their Chelsea buns. So when my book released, I thought that it would be fun to celebrate with this treat that all of the girls loved. And if you are looking for the recipe, I got this recipe from Colonial Williamsburg. And it's a really fairly easy recipe to follow. It's very similar to cinnamon rolls if you have made cinnamon rolls before. So nothing too crazy, nothing too outlandish, but they are fantastic. Our house smelled amazing. And even though I was pretty sure I knew what they tasted like, just biting into one of these for the first time was divine. Yeah, these are amazing. The currants, which are, they're a little bit like small raisins. They just kind of add this brightness to the rest of it, and then you get the spicy cinnamon. They're just soft and sticky and the perfect Regency or 18th century comfort food. So that's your historical detail, and go check out the Promise of Forever After series, which 4